Officer was driving down the open road because we were on our way to see a... Are you taking a video? Yes. The haunted prison. The haunted prison near Jefferson City. It's gonna be exciting. Tell us about it. I don't want to know you're gonna post this on Facebook. I want to be on it. No, tell us about it. Well, according to Emily, it was a prison, a women's prison, and they raised goats or sheep or something. And there was a flood, and the Great Flood of '93. And they never reopened it. And I'm sure there were some drownings. No, there weren't. Everybody evacuated safely. Drownings of the goats. I don't know about that either. For the donkey. There was some furniture and some equipment that was damaged. So we may encounter the spirits of those things. Okay, so we're on our way to investigate. We did not bring any flashlights or jackets. So we have to go during the day. We're going to go during the day while there's still light, and we won't freeze to death. And we didn't bring any weapons either. Except for the guns. Except for those guns. Alright, signing off.